morning, my beautiful business partners. I'm outside on the patio this morning. I hope the birds are not making a lot of noise. You know, I have a problem because I have trees in my garden. Palm trees, they are so tall. So all the birds tend to gather here and have a board meeting. So that is why I don't like shooting outside, but I don't have a choice as it's a bit dark inside the house. Today is the 30th of April. Tomorrow it's a holiday. I think on my last vlog I promised to take you guys with me to the new mall. I'm still going to do that. I just have to wait for Harvey to confirm whether it's either tomorrow or the weekend. Because the weekend is going to be difficult. As you know, we sell food and it's month end, so we have to grab whatever coin comes our way. So I'm still going to take you to the mall with me, beauties. Today I'm going to declutter, let me say, my kitchen cupboard, one kitchen cupboard. You know, if I can tell you something, guys, I think history is repeating itself. My mother used to put dishes away in her cupboard, and then I would ask her, Mama, why nuts? And she would say, that was the answer that I got. Most of us, our parents used to say that. So now I think history is repeating itself here. I think about 2 or 3 years back, my son asked me, Mama, why aren't you using these glasses? He saw champagne glasses that I received as a gift from my wedding. Guys, I got married in 2006 and there's still dinner plates sets that I haven't used. They're in the cupboard. So my son was asking me, Mama, why aren't you using these dishes? It's Christmas. And then I said, no, I don't have anywhere to put them safe, so they are safe when they are in that cupboard because I can lock it. You know what he did? After I've cooked lunch and everything, my son set the table with those champagne glasses, with my dinner sets. Everything was out on the table. And I was like, yeah, I am really turning into my mother. Because now I can't say because I hardly get visitors. My family comes and visits. And when family is around, you use any plates, any cups, unless if it's a special occasion. So yeah, today I'm just going to clean my cupboard. I've got cups in there. You know those cups that are mixed. I'm going to do that and see how I can rearrange my cupboard for today. Only one side. I'm not going to do the whole kitchen. I'll do it bit by bit. Okay, I think I have a customer coming for the internet. Let me just pause. Oh yeah, that's that. So I'm just going to do that for today. I'm just going to quickly set up my outside kitchen because I open at 10. I'm still going to take a quick shower. I'm just having a cup of coffee now. Open my outside kitchen, prepare while I'm still busy cleaning my cupboard. I know that the outside kitchen is prepared. It's ready for business. And what else? Yeah, I think that's that for today. Oh, and I'm supposed to make a review. I have another channel on YouTube which is a nail channel. I bought nail products, so I'm supposed to do a review on those products for Temu. I don't know if I can squeeze that in. yeah, I have to do a quick review on some of the products, so I just wanted to do my nails, but I don't think I'll get a chance to do them today. I'll see, and then when I do that video, I'll just insert just a small clip for you to see for how I did my nails. Okay, I think that's that. Let's go and clean my kitchen cupboard. I begin to morning beauties. Finally, we are going to the new mall. Let me bring it closer so that you can see me. I'm just going to get ready now. I'm not going to apply foundation. I'm just going to put a little bit of powder because I have to rush back for the kitchen. What's wrong with this thing? Okay, I hope you can see me. Okay, for my hair, I add a little bit of this styling gel, and I've moisturized with Amla oil moisturizer, and then I tied it with the Duke. This is my go-to Duke when I want my hair to lay flat. Okay, and then I'm going to shape. I've shaped them already. I'm just going to fill them in a little bit. Just going to fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm going to use this pencil. Actually, it's an eye and lip liner, but I use it for my brows. I bought at a Chinese store. It's brown. It's dark brown in color. I'm just going to fill in my brows with it. Tell you the story behind this Clinique powder. You know, I think I have a lot of stories to tell and I'm not aware. I will make a detailed video on makeup. This is clarifying almond. It's 2-in-1. Okay, let's wait for. It's a 2-in-1 powder, foundation powder, but it's not cream. It's just a pressed powder, but you can apply this on its own without applying foundation. So that is what that's what I'm going to apply for today. Just a little bit. It's clarifying almond number 6. I don't know if Clinique still has this, because back then when I was a beauty consultant, this was selling like hotcakes. So I don't think they've discontinued this powder. Just Christmas lunch last year. It has a string here that I can apply here. Guys. So I'm just going to guys, this is the outfit that I'm going to wear. The dress was a gift from my aunt. The bag I bought at a local Indian store. And these earrings as well. And the perfume is from Signature. The sandals were a gift from my son on my birthday. There's a story behind these sandals. He transferred money into my daughter's account because he knew that I was going to buy groceries with the money if he transferred it into my account. So he transferred the money into my daughter's account. Then my daughter just said, "Mama, let's go buy you cake and flowers for birthday." Little did I know, I just saw her buying. What do you want? What do you want? And I said, where do you get the money to ask me what I want? Who gave you the money? And then after I've bought everything, because I also wanted cups. And she said, Mama, this is for you, not for the house. The money is for you. Buy something for yourself. So I got these sandals. Yeah, it's like, did I mention one of the dresses from Fashion World? Gift from my aunt. Okay, that's that. Hello Hans, so this is Malevati, not Mama. So this is the color black from Wendy Beauty. It is just plain black, it doesn't have any sparkles, just a solid black, and this is how it looks.
it's very pretty. Plus a little close up. Then we have this beautiful nude. It will go good with French. I'm a French girly. Usually the packaging is darker than the actual nail polish, so this is the close up. It's a little bit lighter. Then we have another nude. This one has a more brown undertone. This will be like a nice clear brown set, and you can add your own diamonds. As I said, the packaging is really darker than the actual nail polish, so this is another close-up of this one. It's beautiful. And of course I got you girls, so here are the numbers for the colors. The products are from Wendy Beauty, they were affordable. And the number for black, yep. Then we have this mascara from Favor Beauty. I tried to show the logo, but it just didn't allow it. And here is the close-up of the brush. So the brush is thick, it's not thin, it's thick, so it carries my fruit. And now we're in skincare. We have Portia and Beauty Marula Pure Glycerin Soap, fragrance and color free. She still has to try it. Maybe she might tell you guys on another video how it looks. So Marc got a body spray. It is sweet rose, lilac and jasmine, and a water foundation. It smells so good, especially after taking a bath or during the day. You can use it, it's good. And we have these body butters, Magnolia. Like, it has this baby powder scent, and then it has the Magnolia scent. Only if it didn't have the Magnolia, I would have bought it too. I got the cocoa butter one. It does smell good. Mom loves it. So yeah, on another video she will tell you guys how it is. This is Malobati, and I will see you maybe on another video. Bye.